Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Question of the day is 17th. Choose options. How to control BOM prices at item level in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, let's read the options. First is item category group, and B is item category, C BOM condition records, D single level BOM, and E high level item category, F multi-level BOM, G none of the above. In these options, very closely, one or two answers or three answers might be correct, or else it can be any one of the option, or else all must not be wrong also. Okay, just try to give a little practice for your brain. Especially these are very useful for your internal examinations once you join the job, or else before your job, or specifically this analysis of mindset will be useful for your certification examinations. If you know the answer, you can comment below of my video. Okay, so comments available, right? You're doing comments for all stuff things. Do comments for your career. Okay, so I would like to see how good you are. Okay, if you choose wrong answer also no problem. There is always scope for learning everything. This is my YouTube channel. If you really wanted to strive for learning for SAP SD, this is the right forum. So I'll try to update as much as possible here out of my experience. Okay, I'm holding more than 11 plus years of experience in SAP SD. And if you look at here, currently I'm holding 5,453 students and 862 successful reviews. And this is my SD course with 106 hours. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. So it's like a collection for sales and distribution who would like to get prepared in a serious way. And this is for idoc training and getting master to write functional specification. These are the two recommended courses. If you already done SAP SD, or whatever the module, this is the place where you can learn the idocs, you can learn the how to write functional specification. This is SAP SD ECC, advanced pricing concepts. You can give a try, and a lot many courses available at my end. Probably you can give a try. So it's up to you how you would like to see. So this is the down payment scenarios, and this is SD support tickets. This is specifically used for your work, how the support process works, as well as some tickets for your interview. Okay, so thank you so much. Wish you all the best. We'll catch up in next session for this question answer. Have a great day. Bye.